How to reset your Just Eat password. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can reset your Just Eat account password. So make sure to watch the video till the end. If you don't remember the password for your Just Eat account, so when you go to justeat.com or .co.uk, then you go to the login page, you're here and you don't remember your password. Now to reset our password, you'll find this button that says forgot password. Click on the forgot password option. Enter the email address on which your Justice account was associated with and click on reset your password. So basically what this does is that it's actually going to send a verification code or a link to your Justit account over here. Right here you can see. So all you have to do is open up your mail, which depending upon which mail service that you're using, then you'll basically find Justit over there. And once you go ahead and then basically go to that link, you should be able to be taken to the page where you can enter a new password without having to remember your old password. This way you can reset your Justit password. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial and see you soon in the next video.